What's up everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So today let's make easy Crockpot Chicken Alfredo. This is a easy, healthy, high protein chicken Alfredo pasta recipe. This is made with whole wheat pasta, under 500 calorie dinner recipe, perfect for busy weeknight when you're lazy and tired and want to get something cooking as a dump and forget dinner recipe. So without further ado, let's get started right now.
So start by pouring about 1 cup of low sodium chicken broth into the crock pot, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. Next add in some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning. Next salt and pepper as per your taste, a slice of salted butter and about 500 grams of lean chicken breast. Toss to combine all of it so that the homemade Alfredo sauce seeps right into the chicken. Cover and cook on high for 3 to 4 hours. Alternatively, you can cook on low for 4 to 5 hours. This is totally up to you. Next, once you have done all of that, it's time to cook the pasta. Since I'm cooking the pasta, I'm using Linguine Pasta here, so I'll cook it and then add it into the sauce. If you're adding raw pasta, you can do that as well. Meanwhile, you can see my chicken has been perfectly cooked. It's time to remove them and then use about 2 forks to shred them out. Shredding the chicken is one of the magic into making the best crockpot chicken Alfredo, because the flavors of the Alfredo sauce seeps right into the chicken, making them extra juicy and delicious. And once you shredded it, add it into the crock pot along with your cooked and drained pasta. So since I'm adding cooked pasta here, I'll just let it sit on warm, and also I'll add some shredded Parmesan, and this will be ready in no time. If you are adding uncooked pasta into it, just let it cook on high for 35 to 40 minutes so that the pasta gets perfectly cooked in the crock pot. Garnish with some chopped parsley and your dinner is served. So easy and perfect weeknight dinner which the entire family can enjoy together. I love crock pot meals because this only gets you only one dish to clean at the end of it all. Perfect family dinner recipe. Also, it's healthy, perfect for your weeknight dinner. Do give this a try, and if you have any questions, you can post them below in the comment section and I'll be super glad to answer them for you. Also, let me know if you have any favorite crockpot dinner recipe which you would love to see on my channel and make me.
And this is how you make easy crockpot chicken Alfredo. Hope you enjoyed making this recipe with me. Do give this a try and let me know how you enjoyed making this recipe. You can find all the alterations and the recipe description in the comment section below. Also, you can find the macros and adjust it as per your requirement by looking at the calorie description below. Do give this a try and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you keep receiving updates whenever I post a new recipe. Have a great day.